So moving forward, let's take up the next one, question number 8. If the term independent of x in the expansion of this one is k, then 18k is equal to one simple question from binomial. So let's start this one. Taking up the general term tr plus 1 as 9cr into 3x square by 2 whole to the power 9 minus r into minus 1 upon 3x whole to the power r. Now question says term independent of x, meaning 18 minus 2r minus r, taking this x to the numerator, it should be 0. Is it clear? Term is independent of x, so the power of x should be 0, giving you the value of r as 6. Therefore, the seventh term is actually independent of x. Therefore, T7, this is equal to 9c6 into 3 by 2 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 6. Correct? Now, this value is given to me as k. So, let's say this is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to factorial 9 upon factorial 6 factorial 3 into 1 by 2 raised to the power 3, and we can see 1 power for 3 cancelled, so we are left with just 3 to the power 3. 3 cube cancelled, we are left with 3 cube in denominator. Simplifying further, we have 987 upon 321 into 1 by 8 into 3 to the power 3. Now we can further simplify, we can see 2 powers in numerator and 4 powers in denominator. So yes, we are left with 7 in numerator divided by 18. I'm sure this is clear. This is equal to k. So what is the value of 18k here? This is equal to 7. So 18k is equal to 7. That is, we can see option number 4 is the correct answer as required. So let's mark and mention as the required result. Moving forward, let's take up the next one. The set of all real values of lambda for which the quadratic equation always have exactly one root in the interval 0 to 1. So two things. One, discriminant is greater than 0. Second, f0 into f1 is negative. So let's begin with it. If we go for f0 into f1, considering this expression as fx, so we have it should be less than 0. 2 times lambda square plus 1 minus 4 lambda plus 2 less than 0, giving you lambda square minus 4 lambda plus 3 less than 0, or lambda minus 1 lambda minus 3 is less than 0. From here we are getting lambda is lying in the interval 1 to 3. When I talk about the discriminant, I can clearly see discriminant is giving me 4 lambda whole square, that is 16 lambda square, minus 8 into lambda square plus 1 is greater than 0. This gives us 8 lambda square minus 8 greater than 0. That means lambda is less than minus 1 or lambda is greater than 1. So from these two, I can see that this result is almost final one, 1 to 3, just one problem. 3 is included in this interval, but it is not here. If I try to check the value 3 with this one, what I'll be getting as a result? Let's check out. This gives me 10x square minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0. That means 5x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. I can split the middle term as 5x minus x, giving value as 5x minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X equals 1 by 5 is the value which is lying in the given interval 0 to 1. That means the number 3 can also be included. Now, 1, 2, 3 including 3, that's clearly given here as option number 4. So correct answer is option 4. Let's mark and mention as the correct one. Let's move on to the next one. If the sum of the series up to n terms is 488 and the nth term is negative, then 4 options are given. When you look at this series, this is 19 and 5 by 5 I can read. Clearly the common difference is minus 2 by 5. So this is simple AP with common difference minus 2 by 5. Let's start it. So it is given sum of n terms, that is n by 2 multiplied with 40 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 by 5 is equal to 488. That's clear? Just simplify. We can see that 2 can be taken common and can be cancelled. Just multiply this n inside if you want, or keep here itself. For the time being, multiply with 5 taking LCM. So 5 is outside. This is 100 minus n plus 1 is equal to 488, or n square minus 101 n plus, just multiply 5 to it. This gives you simply 2440. Correct? We can factorize it and can get the values for n as 40 and 61. Now clearly two answers are there. That means you get sum as 488 at particular number, keeps on moving because the series is reducing, approaching towards 0, then moving to the negative values, so that this result extended one from 41 to 61, this value is 0. So that the sum of terms of 40 or 61, it is coming same. Question says this nth term is negative, meaning clearly nth term is this one. It is not required to check, this is clearly the nth term. Alright, let's see what are the options. N is 41, no. N is 60, no. Nth term we have to obtain. Let's go for nth term now. If you find nth term, this will be 20 plus 60 into minus 2 by 5, correct? So this is 20 minus 24, that is minus 4. So correct answer for this question is option number 4. Now we can clearly see nth term, that is 60, first term is minus 4. So I'm sure this question is clear. Let's write down, this is the required answer. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 11.